Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hit the like button, leave a comment after watching this video if you learn anything, if you like my content, you feel me, appreciate it. Swipe to the left, right, and you can hype this video up. It's up to you. You feel me? Anyways, so this video basically is why it's very important to shop around, because in this economy that we are living in right now, a lot of mechanic shops is trying to get rich overnight, which is crazy. So basically, maybe a month ago, month or two ago, when I went to I went to this shop that I always be going to. I always be going to this one shop when, get certain job done. So I asked them, yo, what's the price? Give me a quote. What's the price to install all brand new motor mounts on my car, on my Avalon? I told them I already have the parts. Everything is OEM genuine. They quote me and told me $800. Now, that is very expensive, especially time like right now in this economy. It is very expensive. $800, that is off the chain. It is crazy. It's ridiculous. $800 to replace 4 motor mounts. Mind you, my car is a Toyota. It is a 2008. It is an Avalon. It's 4 mounts. One at the top, one at the bottom at the on the passenger side, one in the middle in the front. And another one is the last one is over holding up the transmission on that side. They quote me $800. I don't know if they're going by the dealership price. I just don't know. I don't know if they're going by what's on paper or whatever, because sometime on paper or by the book, usually the one at the bottom, they probably recommend you to do more work, which is drain your coolant, remove the radiator, just to have more space to, maybe they're going by that. But come on, man, 800, I know that they're not going to do that. Majority of these shops, they be overcharging people just to make more money, which is, it's ridiculous. And I know a lot of them don't even go by the book. A lot of them will maneuver and find a shortcut to get the job done really easy. So it's very important to shop around. Don't depend on one shop and think that all the prices all over the place, everywhere else is going to be the same. Shop around, guys. In this economy, you got to find the best deal that you could find. Find something that who want to work with you and help you with your situation. So I went to this other shop that I went to, and I asked them this morning. Actually, this morning I went to this other shop and I asked the guy, yo, how much you charge to replace all the motor mounts on my car? He told me $300. I told him, yo, I need a tire rotation for the Lexus RX 350. He told me 35. Then he was like, wait a minute. I was like, oh, here we go. In my head, I was about to say, oh man, here we go, man. He was like, whoa. He was like, if you bring your Avalon in and, you get the job done, we'll do the, change the motor mounts for the 300. I'm not going to even charge you to rotate the tires on the Lexus. He was like, that's the deal I could give you. Look at that. So from all the way from $800 down to $300 with a free rotation on the Lexus, on a different vehicle. Not even on the same vehicle, because I was like telling him, I don't need a rotation on the Avalon. I need a rotation on the Lexus. He was like, don't matter. I got you. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So it's very important, very, very important to shop around. Stop depending on one shop. Stop spending your money. I know, certain people, you have your trust in certain shops, certain mechanics. People build trust, yes. Because I trust the other guys that I always be going to, but I thought that they would have given me a deal because I always go there. I always go there for my axles. I always go there for them to do my alignment, to install tires, to do what they changed. They changed my water pump before. Did my alternator before I did mine myself. I think long time ago they did work on when I had my '07 Avalon. They did do the job on the alternator. They also did my brake booster as well long time ago, I remember. So I always go to that shop. I trust those guys because they do a good job, I never had no issue to say they fix certain stuff and then 6 months or a year later, I'll run back and be like, hey, I got a little issue. You guys did it like a couple months ago. Never had that issue. But seems to me in this economy, everybody wants to get rich overnight. And that's impossible. That is crazy work. That is craziness. So it's very important to shop around. Yes, guys. Don't be ashamed. Don't feel no type of way. I understand you trust the mechanic that you've been going for years. But sometimes when they overcharge and you don't feel right, that price don't sit with you, shop around. Go somewhere else and ask around what's the price for the same work, the same job. And if that person tells you the same thing, go to another one. They have so many different here in Florida. They have a lot of different mechanic shops all over the place. You don't have to go to the dealership. The dealership is going to charge you a dealership price no matter what. Go to these shops. Ask questions. Ask them if that's the best deal, See what's up. So it's very important, guys, to shop around and see what's the best deal, see what your pockets could handle. Don't just go with the flow. One person tell you one thing and then it's a wrap. You feel me? Now, if it wasn't so hot and blazing here in Florida this summer, I probably would have did it myself, but it's too hot. I can't. Sometime, just the other day, I did an oil change on my Lexus RX 350. And when I was done, my whole shirt was wet. And it's so crazy. All I did, I didn't even jack up the vehicle. I drove up on the ramp. I got the oil catcher. I got all the tools, of course. All I did was broke the bolt loose and take off the filter. Drain it, put everything back, put in the new filter, put everything back, go into the top of the vehicle and pour the oil in. And then when I'm done, put the cover back on and then reset it in the vehicle. By that time, my whole shirt is wet. That is how hot and humid it is outside. It's ridiculous. The heat is ridiculous. But guys, it's very important to shop around, save money, find the best deals that you could find. Find the best deal that you could find. Because if you don't, you will go broke in this economy. You will go broke. You will bankrupt yourself. Yeah, you will go broke. You will bankrupt yourself quick. So it's very important to be smart, to shop around, to find the best deal that you could find. Because it seems to me, a lot of these mechanic shops don't care. They're using this economy to try to get rich overnight. Like they don't care about their customers. It's ridiculous. I was watching a video the other day, I think it was on Instagram, and this guy did an oil change on a I think it was a Rolls Royce. It was a Rolls Royce Ghost. A Rolls Royce Ghost. And he called he called the dealership. He called the dealership and asked them how much for oil change on a Ghost. And I think they told him $800. 800. That's crazy. Can you imagine? Can you guys ever imagine you paying $800 for oil change? It don't matter if it takes 10 quarts of oil, 12 quarts of oil, $800. That's crazy. That's madness. $800? $800. Really? You could literally go to Walmart. You could even look up online and look for the specified oil type that the vehicle takes. If it's 0W20, 0W16, 5W20, 5W30, 5W40, whatever viscosity the manufacturer wants you to use oil. You could find Castrol, you could use Mobil 1, Pennzoil, Royal Purple. They have so many different type of oil. You could basically find that on at Walmart. You could easily go to, if you can't find the filter at Walmart, you could basically go to a auto shop and get the filter. I guarantee that person could have basically saved so much money. Well, they did save a lot of money, but they could have saved less, way less money than what they spent at that shop that the guy was doing the video. Because I think they charge him maybe about $100 and something, which is still not bad. That's still better than $800. So it's very important, to learn your vehicle, shop around, find the best price. Find the best price that's right for you. But I'm just giving you guys some pointers. Just like myself, I haven't went to the shop to do an oil change in years. Because I know how to do it myself. And I know a lot of people is not going to do it themselves. People got life. It's hot, especially if you're a female, it's understandable. But if you're smart, learn your vehicle, see what oil type, what viscosity your car use. As I said, if it's 0W20, 0W16, 5W30, 5W20, it tells you on the bottle. And it tells you on the vehicle as well. Or you could just look it up. The make, model, the year. It tells you what viscosity the vehicle and how much is the capacity, how much you're supposed to pour into the vehicle. Go to Walmart, buy that on Walmart, get it at Walmart, and you could just take it to the shop and just let them charge you the labor fee. You will save a lot more money that way, because they be charging you for the oil, charging you for the filter, charge you for shop supplies, which is ridiculousness. What supplies? What, they driving it, putting it on the lift? That's the shop supply, putting it on the lift? That's ridiculous. So yeah, if you guys want to save some money, shop around, you want to get an oil change done, go to Walmart, buy your oil, see how much the capacity, if it takes 5 quarts of oil or 6 quarts, get it from Walmart. Get the filter from Walmart or an auto shop and take it to a mechanic shop and let them charge you the labor charge to get the oil change done. Easy as that, easy and simple. But that's all I want to share with you guys. Shop around. Life will be easier. We all struggling in this economy. Everything is expensive. You got to be smart. You got to use your brain. You got to do what you got to do to survive. You feel me? But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope this information helps. Don't stick to that one person just because you feel comfortable. Sometimes you have to get out of your comfort zone and do what you got to do to save money. And it's not about being cheapness. It's about, come on, I've been going there for years. They could have easily given me a discount. You know, for you, I do it for $250. For you, I do it for $300. $800? Y'all already have to lift. They're not doing it on the ground. Like, if I had to do it, most likely I'm gonna have to do it on the ground. I have to jack it up, do it on the ground. But they have the lift. All they got to do is drag the vehicle on, bring up the vehicle, put the thing to lift the engine, take off the top mount, take off the bottom one, replace it with a new one, do the same one in the middle, do the other one on the driver's side, and go back on the top and put the top one back on. Boom. Done. $800? $800. That's like half of somebody's rent. They're not doing no engine work to say, oh, we got to bust down the engine to find a specific, things that they got to change or do. That's ridiculous. So be smart out there, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hype my video up. I think you got to swipe the messaging area. Swipe to the left. I think it's to the left. You got to swipe. Swipe to the left. And they say hype or say something else. Summarize. Hype my video up. Show your boy some love. You feel me? Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. I'm out.